33 tips to lose 20 pounds or 9 kgs in the next 90 days. 1. Drink 1-2 cups of black coffee per day. You'll suppress your appetite, burn more fat, and will optimize your mental and physical performance. 2. Eat protein first at every meal. It's highly satiating, which means you're less likely to overeat. 3. Minimize alcohol consumption. It wrecks your sleep, sabotages your weight loss efforts, and leads to many other unhealthy habits. 4. Avoid liquid calories. They add up quickly. Stick to water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea. 5. The quantity of food you eat affects how much you weigh. The quality of the food you eat affects your body composition. Remember this when making food choices. 6. Stop snacking. Eat enough high-quality food at each meal and you won't be hungry between meals. 7. Eat within a 12-hour window. For example, eat breakfast at 8 a.m. and stop eating at 8 p.m. 8. Do your workouts in the morning. Your willpower is high and nothing can get in the way. 9. You don't need to eat healthfully 100 of the time. Aim for 80 and you'll be fine. 10. Don't worry about cardio. Get your steps in and lift weights. 11. You don't need a pre-workout. They're full of crap. Salted water, honey, and coffee are the greatest pre-workout. 12. The 2-day rule is your friend. Don't miss twice. If you didn't get your workout done yesterday, you must get it done today. 13. Get 10,000 steps per day. Walking more will improve every single aspect of your well-being and will accelerate your weight loss journey. 14. A workout doesn't need to be perfect to be worthwhile. 15. You need to eat more protein. Aim for 1 g per pound of body weight each day. 16. Don't wing it. You need to find a structured plan for your goal and commit to it. 17. Lifting weights is the best way to start changing your body. You'll accelerate your weight loss by boosting your metabolism. Lift weights 3-5x a week. 18. Avoid domino foods. These are foods that are hard to stop eating once you start. Identify yours and stay away from them. 19. Don't drink coffee or energy drinks after lunch. You'll wreck your sleep. Stick to non-caffeinated options. 20. Increase the weight you're lifting in the gym. Don't stick with the same weight forever. 21. Great results come from consistency. Find a plan and stick to it. 22. Inadequate sleep messes with your hunger hormones and makes you more likely to eat junk food. You need to sleep 8 hours each night. 23. Your identity directly impacts your actions. Decide who you want to become and figure out what that person would do. Act accordingly. 24. Get into the habit of meal prepping. When you have healthy meals ready to go, you're way less likely to eat junk food. 25. Track your workouts and body weight. Seeing progress will keep you motivated and will ensure you're on the right track. 26. Manage your stress. Stress impacts insulin, testosterone, and many other hormones in the body. It blunts your ability to lose fat and put on muscle. 27. Set clear goals and remind yourself of them every single day. This is how you stay on track long enough to see results. 28. Limit sugar. A little bit is okay, but too much will lead to inflammation and fat gain. 29. Don't cut out all your favorite foods. Minimize them instead. It won't be sustainable to cut out everything you enjoy because you won't stick with it. 30. Progress won't be linear. Don't get discouraged if you sometimes go backward. Trust the process. 31. Go for a quick walk after every meal. This will help you get your steps in and will significantly decrease blood sugar spikes, which will make weight loss easier. 32. Eat slowly. It takes about 20 minutes for the message that we're full to get to our brains. Most people have already finished their whole plate by this point. 33. Drink more water. Aim for 2-3 liters every day. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more such content.